Hello and thanks for watching. I'm Lucy and I'm one of the Sense Massage admin team, and I'd like to tell you about Team Seas. So what exactly is Team Seas? Team Seas is a global campaign to raise $30 million during November and December 2021. Every penny raised will go to removing 30 million pounds of plastic and trash from our oceans, rivers and beaches. Basically, for every $1 raised, £1 in weight of rubbish will be removed. So if you're watching this right now and like us, you want to do something positive to help protect our oceans, seas and waterways, then on behalf of everyone here at Sense, I invite you to join us and support Team Seas in whatever way you can. So what can you do? There are 3 simple ways that you can support Team Seas. Option 1. If you can, donate some money directly to Team Seas. If you can't donate something yourself, maybe think about ways to raise some money, perhaps a sponsored swim. Option 2. Spread the word about Team Seas. Share information of this amazing project with your friends, family and colleagues at work, and encourage them to do something too. Option 3. Simply book some massage treatments for your office or event with Sense Massage. For each person we massage during November and December 2021, we will donate £1 to Team Seas. This applies to all bookings, new and existing. So if you've already booked massages with us during November or December, then congratulations. Not only will you be feeling relaxed, you've also helped to raise some money for Team Seas. With your help, we hope to raise lots of money by December 2021. To find out more about Team Seas, visit teamseas.org. Thanks for listening and have a relaxing and healthy day.